Hello students, in our textbook we are going to start our first lesson, and the first lesson is a poem by Bayard Taylor, A Night with a Wolf. I will explain this poem into two parts in two videos. Today I am going to explain only the page number 12 and the stanzas given on the page number 12. First, I am just reciting the stanzas on page number 12, and after that I will explain one by one stanza. So the first stanza is, little one, come to my knee. Hark, how the rain is pouring over the roof in the pitch dark night, and the winds in the woods a roaring. Stanza number 2. Hush, my darling, and listen, then pay for the story with kisses. Father was lost in the pitch black night in just such a storm as this is. Third, high on the lonely mountain where the wild man watched and waited, wolves in the forest and bears in the bush, and I on my path belated. The rain and the night together came down, and the wind came after, bending the props of the pine tree's roof and snapping many a rafter. I crept along in the darkness, stunned and bruised and blinded, crept to a fir with thick set boughs and a sheltering rock behind it. There from the blowing and raining, crouching I shout to hide me. Something rustled, two green eyes shone, and a wolf lay down beside me. So on this page, these 6 stanzas are given. So now I am explaining one by one. In this poem, the poet or the storyteller, he is telling about a night to his son, that what happened once in a stormy night with him. So he is starting like this: little one, come to my knee. Here the author is asking his son to come to his knees. Hark, how the rain is pouring. The meaning of hark is given in the glossary in book, means to listen. Hark, how the rain is pouring, and the poet is saying to his son that listen the pouring of the rain over the roof in the pitch dark night. The dark night was dark, and the sound of the rain on his roof is clearly listening. And the winds in the woods are roaring, and the sound of the winds is roaring in the woods. Here the woods means forest. In second stanza, again the poet or the author is telling to his son that, my darling, and listen, then pay for the story with kisses. He is saying that listen the story what I am going to tell you, and he is telling that once father was lost in the pitch black night. He is telling that once he, the author or the father, he was lost in a black night in just such a storm as this is, like the same storm as this is. High on the lonely mountain, and he was lost or in the on the lonely mountain where the wild man watched and waited. And on that place there were only wild men, they watched and wait. Wolves in the forests and bears in the bush, and I on my path belated. The meaning of belated means late. So he is saying that once he was also lost on the lonely mountain, and at that place only there were only wild men, wolves, bears, etc. And again in next stanza, the rain and the night together. The poet is saying that the rain and the night came together, came down together, and the wind came after. First the night came, and then after the wind came, and then rain came. And the wind, or the due to the rain, the pine trees leaves, their tops are bending and snapping many rafters. And because of the lightning, it looked like that there is some flashlight of the rafter. Rafter means high branches of tree. The meaning is given in the glossary. I crept along in the darkness. Then the father is saying that he was very fear at that night. He was stunned and bruised and blinded. He was very astonished. He was wondered like that. Crept to a fir with thick set boughs. Boughs mean large branches of tree. He somehow managed to hold the large branches of the tree and sheltering rock behind it, and take some support of a rock, and he sit there. There, from the blowing and raining, and from these sounds of blowing and raining, crouching I shout to hide me, and somehow I manage to hide me myself. Some rustled, two green eyes shone. Then I see that there are some two green eyes I saw, and a wolf lay down beside me, and I found that one wolf was sitting beside me.